Hey guys, welcome back to Cruiser Man's Inventions. Look, we got the sprocket all done. I pulled it out. We got it all centered up really good. It's on that plate, and when I turn it over, you'll see the plate. And if you look in here, the collar is all welded on really well all the way around. And that's what I was doing earlier. And that's the collar and 4-bolt position. And got my little mark there. Keep it all nice and centered. And yeah, so this, guys, is going on the other side of this, and I'm going to show you what actually came out of here, guys. So this is the it used to be the washing machine bike, and so this is the stuff that came out of it. This is the washing machine motor I rewired, and it goes really well. It's just that I used that 3,000 watt controller on it, and it didn't like it, but it likes 1,000 watts. It goes smooth as with 1,000. It's just that I want to go faster than 50 k's, and I could have put two motors on this bike. I could have had this one on the other side, and I actually bought a whole nother one, and I rewired another one like this to go on this side. It's just that it's still too slow. Now, the only way to get around this, to make this bike super cool, is to put a car alternator in there, remodified, of course, to hit up to 70k using that same controller, and this bike should actually maybe even go a little bit faster. So what we're working on, guys, I bought a whole lot of stuff like collars, 1-inch collars, more bearings, more washing machine motors that I'm going to be using for something else. I'm actually going to make a lathe, use them as a lathe motor later on. And I got more bearings. These are not metric, they're imperial ones, so I believe that these here could be even imperial axles that are out of the washing machine. But anyway, let's look at the whole system that came out of this section here. So if I hold this up here, you'll see that all of that came out of that section right there. And as I was saying in my last video, that I needed an axle going through here, and of course it is perfect and it's tight in these bearings. It's just that I need this whole system out of here because it's got all my bolting positions on the other side, guys, to bolt the motor up so I can use it in another project. These are perfect for drift trikes. If you can put one of these on a drift trike, they're awesome. Really good. But then so is the alternator. But anyways, so that's the whole lot of the gizmos there. So it's got freewheel system here, BMX, and then it comes to washers in between. This sprocket here is a 420, about, I don't know, 10 tooth or something. And we're going to take this off the shaft and use this one over here with some spaces in between or a couple of collars. Stop the axle from moving, and we're going to put that chain back on. But on the other side, I'm going to try and put these bearings in as well. But when I put this axle in these bearings, there was a little bit of slop. See, it's tight in here. Oh, my battery's getting low, but it's not tight in these bearings. So I might have to get another axle, an actual metric one. So reason is, I'll push this right through. I can have this sprocket here on the other side. On the other side, guys. Ugh. See, but these stubs are getting in the way. And so yeah, when I put this on, that's why I want that on there. And then it'll be going up to, the alternator one. And I got to build all of this still. And then, the 420 pitch chain from there to here. And maybe with the guider in between. It's just that this here is going to act like a jack shaft going through. And it's going to be... This bike is a little bit heavier than my other bikes. So I'm still going to put this big sprocket to use. And all that chain length. Keep everything like it is. But as soon as it's fine, guys, I'm going to get in here and I'm going to chop all of this out. And I'm going to make another mount like this. to hold another bearing like this one on the other side. And in the meantime, I'm gonna go and try and get another axle, one that's 1 millimeter thicker than this one. So this is what's going on at the moment, guys. I'm making pretty good headway with this, as you can see. I love these motors. I love them. It's just that it's just not fast enough, guys. And I don't want to be mucking around with this for years on end with a stinking washing machine motor on there when I know that this here, my work in this motor is way faster. So, awesome stuff, guys. I shall keep you updated on this. This is getting real exciting, this bike. Awesome stuff, guys. Cool. Hi to all my new subscribers, guys. Good work. Cruiser Man out, guys.